Material in this video contains content included in the Assembly Bill Number 1172. AB 1172 Special Education, Non-Public, Non-Sectarian Schools or Agencies. Meet Ms. Taylor, an experienced educator, and Jake, a 10-year-old student in her classroom. Jake frequently displayed challenging behaviors, such as refusing tasks and becoming verbally aggressive when asked to participate in group activities. Ms. Taylor began by using positive behavioral interventions, implementing a token system where Jake earned points for on-task behavior and respectful communication. She collected data daily to identify patterns and adjust the intervention as needed. Ms. Taylor also sought to understand Jake's behavior by analyzing its function. She discovered that Jake often acted out to avoid challenging tasks. With this insight, she introduced antecedent strategies, such as providing Jake with choice options and breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps. These proactive adjustments significantly reduced his avoidance behaviors. When Jake experienced moments of frustration, Ms. Taylor used evidence-based de-escalation techniques, calmly redirecting him to a designated calm space and reinforcing alternative behaviors like requesting help. Over time, Jake's challenging behaviors decreased and his engagement in learning improved. Ms. Taylor's efforts exemplify the importance of this training, equipping educators to create supportive environments and implement strategies that promote success for every student. Welcome to your AB 1172 Positive Behavioral Interventions training, designed to empower educators with evidence-based tools and strategies. Your role is vital in shaping positive behavioral and educational outcomes for students. This training ensures you are well prepared to address challenges effectively and with confidence. Assembly Bill Number 1172 mandates specialized training to support students' unique needs. This ensures all educators understand and meet state guidelines for effective, ethical, and legally compliant intervention practices. Together, we maintain accountability and excellence in the delivery of educational services. Students thrive in safe, structured environments that support their growth. By adopting positive behavioral interventions, educators help prevent crises and promote respect and understanding in the classroom. A safe environment benefits both students and staff. The ultimate goal of this training is to create effective learning spaces where students achieve their full potential. Through evidence-based strategies, educators can address behaviors while encouraging academic and social success. Every strategy learned here is a step toward student and educator growth.
Let's take a closer look at Assembly Bill Number 1172. Improving education quality. AB 1172, introduced in 2019, aims to raise the standard of services in special education, non-public, non-sectarian schools or agencies. It ensures that students receive support tailored to their unique needs. This law prioritizes effective practices and accountability in special education settings. Educator training requirements. AB 1172 mandates training for all educators who interact with students during the school day. This includes new hires who must complete training within 30 days of employment. Ongoing annual training is also required to ensure all educators remain up to date with best practices. Focus on compliance. Schools must meet specific training requirements to comply with AB 1172. This includes ensuring that all educators are trained in evidence-based methods. Compliance safeguards the school's ability to provide high-quality services and meet legal standards. Documentation matters. Precise and timely documentation is essential for demonstrating compliance with AB 1172. Educators completing this training can instantly download a PDF certificate of completion as proof for their employing institution. This ensures readiness for audits and highlights the school's commitment to improvement and accountability.
This training covers key strategies to improve student behavior and support positive outcomes. Each topic equips educators with practical tools for managing and reducing challenging behaviors effectively. Positive behavioral interventions are an evidence-based framework to encourage and sustain appropriate behaviors. These strategies help improve outcomes by reducing disruptions and fostering a positive classroom environment. Data collection and analysis are key to guiding effective interventions. Proactive approaches help prevent problematic behaviors before they arise. These include setting clear expectations, reinforcing positive actions, and maintaining a structured environment. Proactive strategies promote consistency and a sense of safety for students. Challenging behaviors often serve a specific function for a student. Understanding the purpose of a behavior helps educators design interventions that address root causes. This insight leads to more effective and targeted solutions. Evidence-based strategies focus on reducing problematic behaviors by teaching alternative, functional skills. These replacements must meet the same need as the maladaptive behavior to ensure success. Reinforcement plays a key role in promoting these new skills. When challenging behaviors occur, de-escalation techniques can help safely manage the situation. These strategies reduce the intensity of a behavior episode while maintaining safety for everyone involved. Well-planned, calm, and structured responses support both the student and the educator in navigating difficult moments.
Let's dive deeper into the importance of AB 1172 Positive Behavioral Intervention Training. Regulatory compliance. This training ensures alignment with state regulations and supports the implementation of individualized education programs, IEPs. Compliance helps schools meet legal standards and avoid potential penalties. It also demonstrates a commitment to providing high-quality, legally sound education. Improved student outcomes. Educators who apply the strategies learned in this training create environments that foster growth and learning. This is because students experience fewer behavioral challenges and more opportunities for success. The result is a positive impact on both academic achievement and social-emotional development. Enhanced educator confidence. By mastering evidence-based interventions, educators gain the skills needed to handle challenging behaviors effectively. This builds confidence in their ability to address complex situations. Greater confidence translates to more effective teaching and support for students. Accountability and growth. This training emphasizes the importance of documentation and continuous improvement. By tracking progress and outcomes, schools can identify areas for growth. This commitment to accountability ensures long-term success for both students and educators. This training is a vital step in fostering meaningful change in the classroom. By actively engaging in these modules, educators will gain essential tools for addressing challenging behaviors, promoting positive outcomes, and complying with state regulations like AB 1172. Remember to download your PDF certificate of completion at the end of the training to share with your organization as proof of your compliance and dedication to best practices. Your role as an educator is pivotal in shaping the future of your students, and your efforts create lasting impacts on their growth and success. Thank you for your commitment, and let's work together to build safe, supportive, and thriving educational environments.